again as we take a look at things here that are left in the pavilion. We've got this Gene Schwartz, which I believe is a Packard, and it's in memory of Glenn Schwartz, it says on the back window, so I don't know what the deal is there. Very cool looking piece. Again, cars that ran in that low gasser category, so here it is. It's got a 300 cubic inch engine. It says Hutter 300 cubic inch. I imagine that's pro stock driver Ron Hutter. And the glass Studebaker. Cal custom scoop. Custom vinyl interior. Henry J. Digging the Krager gas cap in the back. Some original decals inside. Pretty car. Now we've got the father-son Willys combination here. Pretty neat. 41 Willys. Now, ISC championship finalist. Nice mural underneath. 400 cubic inch small block Chevy, 9-inch Ford, turbo hydro 400 transmission. Norwood and K. Garrison, Manchester, Kentucky. And here's a cool piece, 63 Dodge Dart. J&A Garage, Beaumont, California. K-Stock automatic. I'm gonna check this out. These are cool here. They are not water decals. Street division. Mopar racing team. Push buttons in the dashboard. It's a KSA, but it's got inline 6 power projects by Clifford Research. So might have been a, yep, here it is, 225 leaning tower power back in the day. Again, the styling on the 63 cars was a little bit of a mess with, you know, they're doing kind of this compromise between the Elwood Inglewood designs and the stuff that was left over from Virgil Exner with a couple of management people trying to pencil things in. But the A-body really came into its own the day of the year after this. So, again, Inland Empire Dodge. Very nice. Yeah, once again, quite a selection of Mustangs here. So, a GT350, manufacturer's plate, Carol Shelby's motor frame. Again, as you know, Shelby off the debut. It's a 70, 69 or 70. Of course. And this is what I thought was really cool. This looks like a Dan Garney car. It's probably a nostalgia racer. But again, neat to have it here. Nice car to have on display here at Indy for the NHRA. And of course the 2-seat AMX. So again, nice group of vehicles here. And wonderful day in the cities. Custom supercharger house.
But the one I want is only 30, or it said trade. What can we trade on?
Cobra Jet race car. That's what it looks like. $2013, yep. 50 built. Here's the information on it. Number 21 of 50 built. Cobra jet is powered by an all-aluminum 5.4 liter dual overhead cam engine with optional 4.0 liter Whipple supercharger. The Joel's enjoyed 2-speed automatic transmission, Brembo front wheel brakes. Certified to 850 with NHRA, roll cage, well front wheels, wrapped in Cragar Goodyear wheels. And it's finished in winter white with optional blue graphics package. So again, these cars were the first ones to break that stock linear barrier into the 8s with Don. I can't think of his name now. The gentleman in Pennsylvania did so much work for back when I did the York reunion. They were pretty potent race cars. And again, here's the number 21. So got a nice batch of cars still here. Things are quieting down, but actually the racetrack's quiet because once again we have oil. Again, 409. This is a Bel Air. Some good guy awards there. Steelies with hubcaps. Again, this great rod here with the Ride Tech suspension, but Hellebrand quick change rear end. Suicide doors. I don't know if we can see inside there very well, but yeah, you can kind of see it. Leather interior. He had it opened up the other day when we were looking at it. Again, Navarro heads. And that really cool bullet headlamps, grill. Phoenix radiator cap. Again, more Navarro parts. Gorgeous car out here. CB radio, pretty wild. Late model. 40 Chevy street rod.
Yeah, they're a little.
From Washington, Indiana. Drug out of its long hibernation in 1968 for a whole $260. Again, there's that Master 85 lettering you don't see too often. Again, hood emblem's got lucite and chrome mixed, very nice. Very clean installation under hood, including vintage air and that late model motors. A lot of great stuff. Bars tying the car together. SS, fender well dumps. That was the way it was. There it is, Type LT, C28, 1970. '73. Okay, so LT1 it was. 3-piece rear spoiler that was originally part of the Coupe package for 1970 SCCA racing is on this car. Oh, you're good, man. You're good. No, I'm from Tennessee. California?
No, actually, I'm from Kentucky.
Okay.
How did you get a job like this?
Well, I don't have a job. I come in here to shoot a couple of different, racing classes, and
Really?
I'm done for the weekend with my race stuff. So, had a few minutes tonight, and we're just taking a walk around.
I would love to do that job.
Well, you have to not want to get paid.
Hey, I don't want to get
That's all right. And check it out. It's real cow induction, not for pretend. It's got the rubber seal. It's got the vintage air, so you can enjoy a happy summer night going to the ice cream stand. It's all good. All right, here we go. Very nicely modified Ford Falcon. Vietnam veteran hat in there. Now, how about this Comet, which is sort of shades of the Sharpman-Nicholson era. You don't see too many of these 66 Comets anyway, but I like the fact that it's got electronic fuel injection under hood. And again, very well executed. I think these Mercury emblems here, hand painted onto there, and again, zoomy headers. I'm assuming there's a full exhaust underneath there, but the zoomy headers are cool too. So, and a lot of other stuff in here is now covered up for the night, be uncovered tomorrow, but we're gonna be busy racing, so, all right. Indy at sunset. Anyway, so this is Jeff Stunkard here at Indy on a Sunday night, and we are heading back to the starting line to shoot factory stock, and we'll be back with more videos later.